So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Decathlon. So, it's a new retail shop dito po sa SM City Clark. And it's a lifestyle, an active lifestyle store. Samahan niyo ako.
Hi, I'm Rhea Stoicky from Clark Scania Triathlon team and was the fastest Filipina in 70.3, which is a half Ironman. So I'm very happy that Decathlon is now here in Clark because we used to go to Manila or buy online. And I recommend Decathlon because it's really an amazing shop because for us athletes, we get to buy equipment which we always need, and then of course I have kids, I have twins, so it's not only for the adults but we also have for the kids, and they have bikes, they have soccer balls, so whatever sports that you want to do, even not sports, even maybe hiking, maybe camping, which is nowadays we have the glamping and talagang kompleto siya, and it's nice to have it near.
Scooter department for kids. So scooter for as low as 3,500. Meron din tayong 5,000 here. Yan, meron din tayong skateboard area for as low as to 8. Yung nung bata kami, sagad na sagad itong mga skating shoes na to. And now, very accessible na sila for only 1,790.
Actually, Decathlon, pina-highlight namin is the 2 years warranty and the 365 days return and exchange. Bumili ka ng item sa abroad and then going back to Philippines, hindi pala fit yung binili mo ng shoes or any apparels, we can actually change that to yung prefer mo na item. Sa amin naman kasi, sa mga users namin, we have a promise that we have to satisfy our users. Kung hindi talaga nila feel yung binili nila, we can definitely change it kung yung gusto nila, especially sa mga sizing. Gawin mo, punta ka lang ng store, papalitin natin yan, sir.
So here in Decathlon po, we have Second Life in order to promote sustainability. So if you have any items po from Decathlon that's still in good condition, we can buy it back po and then display it in our Second Life. And we're going to sell it in a much lower prices po.
Look at this one. And look at the price, 280 only. Ito yung murang-murang running shoes, 790 pesos.
So, ito po yung tinatawag ninyong self-checkout na cashless din.
Yes po.
So, how does it work?
First and foremost po is for card payments. Mainly mga card banks, credit, debit cards.
Okay.
So, pwede po natin siyang i-sample dito. Meron po tayong tatlong icon, which is, for example, hindi ka pa po member, you can click I'm not a member.
Okay.
And then, do you need to buy bags? Kasi sa Decathlon po, we practice bring your own eco bag.
Okay.
So, new member ka naman po, we will give you free eco bag.
Free, okay.
If you're not a member naman po, tapos gusto mo magpa-member, pwede tayo mag-create ng membership. Just
Okay.
type your email, phone number, name, and then just click the newsletter, and then just drop the items here.
Okay.
And then, automatic nag-scan po siya.
So, ida-drop lang yung item. I think this is actually first and one of the few, no? Mga ganitong technology that you just drop the item here and then it will automatically check out. Parang ganun. Okay, so what do we have? This is a
Sunglasses.
sunglasses, okay? No.
Just drop.
Ayun.
The sunglasses are for 1,590 po.
Okay.
And then, ganun lang po yung sa self-checkout.
So, alam
natin.
din niya kung ilan yung item.
Yes po.
So, just one item and then
Yes po.
ma-figure out niya.
Gusto niyo po ba try po natin multiple items?
Sige po.
Example po, we have 3 sunglasses dito.
Yeah, so we
Since
have 3
na-scan-
sunglasses.
and then, ayun na po, na-scan niya po yung isa.
Ayan.
Automatic po siyang na-scan. So we have total of 4 items. 1, 2, 3, and then the eco bag. 4
Okay.
items. So
So we have 4
just check
items.
here.
Ayan.
And then, finish and pay lang po.
Okay.
So, merong payment method dito, which is credit card and debit card.
Okay.